Sir! Sir! Sir!
Attack 1.
Charlie, we got a subject running towards, he's going towards Kings Parkway area, Duckman. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop it right now! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Get the gun down! Gun down! Put it down!
Shots fired, Ronnie. Shots fired.
It's right there. It's right there.
Force level.
No. I swear I'm unarmed.
Put your hand behind your back.
I'm unarmed. I'm unarmed. I'm unarmed.
Hang on. Secure those people at the furniture store. Secure them. Turn over for me. Okay.
Are you calling 1033 traffic?
10-4, we got a crowd that is trying to get to our victim. They are fighting LEO.
Great.
Units checking in. Come down Rogers and Rogers Farm. Rogers and Rogers Farm. You got him?
Hey, we got a clear path for him.
David 1,
We got a big crowd up there.
Call SHP, wake us up, have them send units that way if they have them.
You got pressure?
Yeah, we're good.
Hey man, you talk to me, man.
Dude, chill.
You're
Just
good.
take a breath.
You just gotta talk to me, okay? What's your name? Give me your name. I'm just trying to talk to you, okay?
Keep breathing. Just
Block
keep
the
breathing.
entrance, block the entrance.
Keep breathing. Keep talking to me. You okay?
I haven't checked them for anything else yet. Let me check them.
Hey, man. Keep talking.
Mr. Javier, right?
On your back.
Mr. Torres Javier, right?
Next unit comes to the dead end of Rogers Park, my 110.
Okay.
We're about
Can't breathe.
8 or 9 people trying to fight officers and get to the crime scene. We're 110.5 right now.
Yeah, for 110.85.
Keep talking to me, man. Keep talking. Keep talking. Hey, man. Hey. Hey, man. Keep talking to me. Keep talking. Keep talking. Keep talking. Hey, man. Yeah, keep talking to me. Keep talking to me.
Javier. How many
talking,
fingers?
bro.
How many fingers am I holding up? It's not a dumb question, man.
Come on.
Just tell me how many fingers.
Breathe. All right.
Okay.
As long as you keep talking. Keep talking, man.
Hey!
You good?
You need to back up. You need to get out of a crime scene right now. You gotta move right now. I have no idea where your son is, ma'am. You gotta get out of here.
No, somebody just called saying my son was hurt.
I have no idea who your son is.
Never me.
That's not one of the guys that we got entertained right now. You need to move now.
I need a unit. Next gate car down to
Watch the car. Watch the police car.
Dead end. David 1, Raleigh, show me that call, please.
Keep talking. Abby. Keep talking to me.
Hey, if we can have one of the RPD units walk down to me over here at the dead end of Rogers, please.
What's up? I can't, man. I gotta keep the pressure on so you don't bleed internally.
RPD, we need, okay, you guys got him? We need fire to be able to get down here. Move the cars! RPD, we need to move the cars. We need to get fire down here. We need fire and EMS. Move the vehicles.
Is scene secure for them?
Yes, Raleigh, they can come through. RPD's got the crowd handled, but EMS needs to come down to the dead end of Rogers Farm, or they can come down Duckling Way. If they come down Duckling Way, they'll see a patrol vehicle. They can stop at that patrol vehicle. We got one GSW to the stomach. He's still talking to us. He just keeps saying he can't breathe. Duckling Way, I just told him, but you can tell him when you're ready, it'll be faster.
What's going on up there?
We got one EMS. Hey, we got,
Come on.
Javier.
Javi, go here.
Torres Javier. One GSW.